Bitcoin update, March 29th, 2026, weekly update. Let's do a top-down analysis of where Bitcoin's at. So first, we're going to go from, we have the market here, price action going up, then dipping down, all the way down from November to December to January to February, now March, ran up, went back down, so now it's break even about where it opened up at. So it's really staying in this really tight spot right here, and see if it's gonna stay above it or go below it. But this is a indecisive month, as we might know it so far, so you can't tell where it can go. This might be a decision part to come back up, or this might be sideways continuation to go back down more. On a weekly time frame, see a little bit more zoomed in. Got a 200 MA here. Price action comes to meet the 200 MA. That could be a sign of a rebound as of right now. So, but you can see it went straight, it went sideways here. So we tried to rebound, but got shot back down again. And this is the beginning of the new week. We got a minor pump up going on, but not above the previous candles. So of course it's just Sunday, early time of the week, so we have to see how this goes. Still a lot of play left. On a daily update, price action went below the 200 MA. That's bearish. All these lower highs, all these lower lows. So we're going to see if it goes straight, then come back down like this one did, straight down, or if it rebounds back up. Maybe something like this, punches back down and then bounces back, punches down to punch back up. That could be a possibility as well. But unfortunately, this 200 MA is going straight to the downside and has a lot of momentum and strength behind that as well. On an hour time frame, going sideways, just going sideways. Right now, price action is just below the 200 MA, and 200 MA is turning down as well too. So that means we got some weakness going on here on hour time frame. See, this is the low here, so I'm hoping this price action does not go below this low. If it does, then we got definite more downside probably coming. So let's transition. This is from the hour. This is plain chart. Let's see with the trend lines. Trend lines, so that's the same deal here. Came back down, sideways, under 200 MA, just like before. But if you can see, you got action lines here that are connecting all these highs, and in doing so, they keep on getting lower. And you got this safety line here connecting the lows. So it price broke past the safety line and ramped back up again. Let's see if that shows a sign of strength of a rebound above that, above the 200 MA, above the action line. We'll have to see. But this year seems to have, or this week seems to have a lot of lines happening here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these lines are news that's going to happen during this week. So maybe a busy week coming ahead, especially for this is the first week of the month. So we probably got non-farm, which is going to probably pop up later on in the week, and that can cause some definite volatility. But you have to remember this is the first week and the first month for April coming up. So I'm expecting indecision, not much basis on how, or probability on a great directional movement on here. So that's what we have for the summary on that. We have one CME Gap remaining back from before, all the way back from February up into the 79,000. So we've been going sideways. It had a opening gap here, but that one closed immediately. So we have nothing, but we have either possible draw here in the future. This gap maybe wants to be filled, but when it does, who knows? Could be next week, could be next month, could be next year. And that is where we're at right now for Bitcoin update on a weekly update. And March 29th, 2026.